Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video I have a Nexus Cisco switch entry K, and this switch is running version 7 Nexus OS 7 something. So let me show version. So this is the operating system right here. So we are upgrading to version 9.3.13. That's the Nexus OS operating system that my customer wants on this switch, and also he wants a few, couple three license on the unit. We are going to install the 24 license port upgrade, and then the Algo boot license, and the LAN enterprise license. So three different licenses. So let me show you what's the license right now. Show license host ID. This number is very important, to get the license, and show license usage to see which license are installed at this moment right there. So we have this one right here and this one. So we are going to install the 24 upgrade, the Algo boot, and the LAN enterprise license. So basically, I have the operating system here in this USB, because it's faster. For the purpose of the recording a video, I can, this is I can perform this upgrade faster, because you can copy the operating system from the network, but it uh, you know take a while. So I have the software right here, and I will insert this into my USB on the switch, and from there we are going to upgrade the operating system. Let me show you how to do that. So right there, the switch recognize the USB. Show USB 2. Dear, sorry, USB 2. So this is the operating system right here. That one right there. So copy USB 2 to boot flash, and this will take like maybe a minute or something. File name, paste, enter. So this will take a while. Just wait until the process is complete. So the copy is complete. Look at that. So let's check deal, and right there. So now let's install the operating system, the Nexus OS. Install all Nexus OS, and the location boot flash, paste, and enter. And this will take about maybe like 3 minutes, uh, because of the release, these different releases in them. I believe it will be, a BIOS upgrade for sure on the unit. So this will install the BIOS upgrade and then restore the unit in order to complete the upgrade process. So let's wait until the process is complete. Look at that. So right here is the BIOS upgrade. This is with this version of the Nexus OS. This is the uh, BIOS version on the unit. With the new Nexus OS will be this one right here. So let's type yes, enter, and then we'll be upgrade the unit. I recommend, and also there is a message right there that don't power off the unit, because it's not the upgrade would fail for sure. So let's wait until the process is complete. So right now the switch, everything is the upgrade of the BIOS upgrade was successful, as we can see right here. Now the unit will restore the process. Let's wait until the unit reboot, and then we check the new Nexus OS. So the unit reboot already. Let's just check if everything is working. Admin. Let's show version. Okay, there we go. This is the new operating system, the new Nexus OS. So now let's check the license information. Show license, host ID. So I have the license on a USB. I already download the license. So and then I will just copy this license to the boot flash, and from there install the license. Very simple procedure. So let's go and do that. My license. So that's the host ID number. So the host ID number need to match the license file for sure. So beer USB 2. I have a bunch of licenses there, but I know that this one is the one that I'm looking for. Is this one? Copy. Yep. So let's copy that. Copy USB 2 to boot flash. File name, paste. So check license usage, just to make sure which license are installed. So there we go, just the 24 license port and the LAN page. So now we go to install license boot flash and the license file name. So the license is already installed. Let's go check, and there is information about the license. Check license usage, and there we go, man. So before, you can see there is no 24 upgrade license. Now we have 24 upgrade license. This is a switch of 48 port. So basically by default comes with 24. So you need the other 24 port. You need the license, that license right here, the 24 upgrade license. And also this was, I believe, the default license, the LAN base. And now we install the Algo Boost right there, which increase the performance on the switch. Before, we don't have the license there, so we installed that. And the last one was the LAN Enterprise, to advanced routing protocols. So like, OSPF version 3, BGP, ISS, something like that, And so we have now the LAN Enterprise license. And that's basically how do you upgrade the operating system on the Nexus switch. And this is how do you install the license. As you can see, there were 3 different licenses in just one file. So, well, this is a very simple procedure, but thank you so much for your time, guys. I really appreciate it, and I see you in the next video. And if you like the video, please give me a like, share it with your friends and coworkers. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Appreciate it.